Relying on your smartphone for every photo often leads to grainy, low-light shots, digital zoom blur, and drained phone battery life when you need it most. I bought the top 5 digital cameras on the market so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash guessing which gear actually delivers sharp images and reliable performance. I spent weeks testing these hands-on, shooting in bright sunlight, checking autofocus speeds, recording vlog clips, and testing battery performance to see which cameras are actually worth your money.
Product number 1. Kodak PixPro FZ55 Digital Camera.
When I pulled the Kodak PixPro FZ55 out of its box, the first thing that hit me was how impossibly light and compact it feels. Slipping it into my front pocket felt like carrying an extra smartphone, and the smooth, rounded edges make it very comfortable to hold with one hand. The physical buttons on the back have a reassuring click, and the pop-out lens barrel feels surprisingly sturdy for such a portable body. I carried this point-and-shoot everywhere for a week to see if it could replace my phone for everyday snapshots. The 5x optical zoom lens was a massive highlight. It allowed me to pull distant architectural details closer without the ugly digital pixelation you get on smartphones. The 16-megapixel CMOS sensor captured bright, natural colors during daytime walks.
Product number 2. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera Bundle.
Lifting the Canon EOS R100 out of its packaging, you immediately notice the deep, ergonomic hand grip. It gives you a rock-solid, professional hold, even though the body itself is remarkably lightweight for an APS-C camera. The textured coating feels premium against your palm, and the mode dial snaps into place with satisfying precision. I put this mirrorless kit through its paces, shooting portraits and action clips outdoors. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus locked onto human eyes instantly, keeping my subjects tack-sharp even when they walked toward the frame. The 24.1 megapixel sensor delivers incredible image detail, producing natural skin tones and rich color depth. Paired with the included RFS 1845mm kit lens, capturing background blur on close-up shots felt completely effortless. The bundle comes packed with helpful extras like a carrying bag and tripod, and using the built-in Wi-Fi to push photos straight to my phone took under 20 seconds. If you are ready to jump into serious photography and content creation with a real interchangeable lens system, this complete Canon setup delivers unmatched value. If you like the idea of high-resolution shooting, but specifically need a dedicated vlogging layout with a flip screen to frame yourself perfectly every time, check out this next contender, Aliexpress.
Product number 3. 4K vlogging camera with 180-degree flip screen. Holding this dedicated 4K vlogging camera, the structured vintage design gives it a comfortable, balanced weight. The star feature is the 3-inch display screen that pivots up a full 180 degrees on a rigid, secure hinge, allowing you to face the camera and check your framing without any awkward guessing. I used this camera on a multi-day trip to test its self-recording and vlogging capabilities. Flipping the screen straight up made framing personal video logs effortless, while the built-in autofocus system quickly adjusted to keep my face sharp when moving around. The 4K video recording picked up fine textures and clear audio, and the 18x digital zoom helped zoom in on distant landscape points. Having 2 rechargeable batteries included in the box meant I could keep one cell on the charger while using the other, completely eliminating range anxiety during long days out in the city. If you're an aspiring YouTuber or vlogger who needs a clear front-facing flip screen to keep yourself framed perfectly, this model hits the sweet spot. You buy. If you want that exact same front-facing convenience but prefer a dual lens design that lets you swap between front and rear cameras at the tap of a button, let's take a look at our 4th option. Product number 4. 4K dual lens autofocus digital camera. Grabbing this dual lens digital camera, the dual camera housing gives it a distinctive, practical build. The plastic body feels lightweight in your hand, making it super easy to carry on a neck strap or hold overhead in crowded event spaces. I brought this camera along for an afternoon stroll to test out its dual sensor performance.
My favorite feature was how seamless it was to toggle between the main front lens for capturing scenic views and the rear lens for instant selfie shots. No flipping screens required, just a single quick button press on top. The camera records up to 4K video resolution and takes crisp stills using its built-in autofocus system. It came pre-packaged with a 32GB memory card and dual batteries, so I was able to unbox it and start shooting footage right away. If you want a hassle-free dual camera setup that lets you capture your surroundings and your reactions instantly without adjusting display hinges, this camera is a super smart pick. For our final option, let's look at another flip screen vlogging camera that combines 64-megapixel image capture, compact portability, and simple anti-shake features. Aliexpress.
Product number 5. 4K anti-shake vlogging digital camera. Picking up this compact 4K camera, the textured front grip provides a firm hold for single-handed video recording. The screen hinge tilts upwards smoothly, and the control buttons are arranged right around your right thumb for easy access while shooting on the go. I spent several days testing this camera for casual handheld vlogging and outdoor photo sessions. The electronic anti-shake feature did a great job smoothing out micro jitters when walking with the camera held at arm's length. The 64-megapixel photo sensor produced colorful, vibrant images in daylight, while the 180-degree flip display allowed for precise shot framing during solo recording. Plugging the camera directly into my laptop via the included USB cable transformed it into a crisp 4K webcam for video calls, making it useful even when staying indoors. If you need an affordable, all-in-one 4K camera that works as a handheld vlog recorder, selfie shooter, and webcam, this pair gives you great bang for your buck. That wraps up my hands-on testing of the best digital cameras on the market. Whether you want pocket portability with the Kodak Pix-Pro, mirrorless image quality with the Canon EOS R100, or a flip-screen vlogging setup, one of these 5 will fit your shooting style. Check out the links in the description below for live prices, and I'll see you next time.